loves, it's Sha'Reece Nicole. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you don't already, go ahead and turn on your post notifications to get a notification every time I post a video. And today's video is a tutorial on how to achieve this look. I don't know what you call it. Some people call it a pineapple bun, just a bun in general, or poof. I think it's a poof, but I don't really know what you want to call it because it's not a bun. But if you want to figure out how to get this look, my hair literally has no products in it at all right now. Like, I just washed it and it looks a mess. But for this look, I use so much stuff. I don't know why. It's not really a lot of stuff, but it looks like a lot of stuff because it's sitting right here. And y'all, excuse me sitting on the floor because I don't know why I'm sitting on the floor. But y'all, literally using the pump it up spray. You know, pump it up. I love this spray just because of the smell. It actually holds really good. I'm using a little bit of the pink glosser for my poof because my poof tends to look dry when I pull it up, and I'm using olive oil. I don't want to show you because it's a little ghetto. I'm missing the top, so I just sprayed in my hand. I'm using this Got To Be Glue. I'm using both of them actually, just for my edges. And I'm using the finishing spray to finish it up. And I'm using both of my paddle brush because obviously I gotta comb it out, brush it out, whatever. And the next one is gonna be to slick my hair back. But yeah, I probably should have did this when my hair was wet to get the tangles out. But we're just gonna do what it do. Now, y'all gonna, whenever you do this, y'all gonna want to make sure that you brush out all your curls. If your hair is curly, you're gonna want to make sure all your curls are brushed out. Cause for my poof, I don't really like for my curls, like this particular look, I don't like curls in my ponytail, so I make sure the whole thing is just poofy, no curls in it at all. So now I'm just gonna brush. I'm not really putting no products in it right now. I'm just trying to like have it in this like formation before I can pull it up. And I didn't show y'all either. I'm using Jam 2. I think it's the extra hold. Yeah, that Jam extra hold. So I literally get. Okay, so I don't want to come out. I get this much. Rub it throughout my hands. And just do it like this. And with the back, you're gonna want to pull it up more, like slick it up more, because the ponytail looks better when it's at the top of your head. You get some more, like not some more, but you get some pump it up. Spray it on top of the jam. Then I go back with some jam again because I didn't get all of the back of my head. now I just brush it up. I should have put my contacts in for this because I have to take my glasses off. Your girl not gonna be able to see. But now that it's like this, you're gonna wanna get your paddle brush again or whatever brush you wanna use. Now I'm gonna get my oil sheen and the pink shine spray, because once you put your hair in the ponytail, it's gonna be really hard to like put some oil on the ponytail part because you're gonna mess up the slick part. This hairstyle is something quick and easy if you get it right the first time, because I usually mess up sometimes. But if you get it right, there shouldn't be no problem. I'm gonna take 2 rubber bands. I usually just use one and it's a thicker rubber band. One of them doesn't work. Oh my gosh. I usually use just one because I have thick rubber bands, but I don't know where they're at. So it looks like this. Okay, so I'm about to be using this edge brush, Nicole, and I get, I literally, I'm not gonna grab that much. Okay, so I put it on like that, if y'all can't see. Put it on like that. Just pull my edges down. Come closer. Oh, sorry. I use the jam first because I don't know, it does like a better, I don't know better what, but I don't know, it's thicker, so when I use this, can't really see, but when I use this, it's easier to lay it down and then go over it with the Got To Be. Like, I use this because it's thicker, and I use it Got To Be because it make them last longer, like make the hairstyle last longer, my edges last longer. Now, I'm going to use the Got To Be glue to make my edges stay longer. So I don't want to come out. It's better to put it on your hand like this, because you can get as much as you want. Just, y'all don't want to use too much of this, because when you use too much, it does exactly what it just did. Too much, like I don't like it white. now I'm about to use the other Got2b, and I'm gonna spray it on my finger and just rub it on there. Get the finishing spray. And get the other hair tied. And y'all can put a scarf on if y'all want to let y'all edges dry out, but since I did all that spray, I don't think I really need it. But this is the final look. Can't really see the top of it, but yeah.